swag corner. We're vlogging. We're vlogging. We're doing this vlog. What? Vlogmas. Yes. Shoo. I took a moment. So it's gonna be an interesting day. We're just driving. The sister's driving. And the passengers are, oh, I can't even see them. But the family. So what are we doing now? Run some errands and then we're on the road. Can you guys guess where we're going? Can you guess where we are going? I can! Oh yeah. Can't even put the thing there. Put that thingy. It's a good hot, really hot day. In Windhoek. Yes. She must still adjust to the weather. Too much. Yeah. Ooh. Are you sure it's not nice? But Spa doesn't have nice chips, does it? No, it has water but not nice chips. They still have the flavor water? Yes. I hardly go to Spa. Spa is far by my us. For me, I just drink Ehrling. Yeah, but sometimes they don't even have the flavors that, no, like the ones that we really like. Yeah. It's only the one at Karud that usually is the one that we like. This one is an even brand. Like the bottle that you had yesterday. Is it there? Yes, there is now. And that's like $12. Whew, it's hot, people. It's hot. So we're just driving into town. That's my brow, Mensa. Mensa, I need another brow. I don't have one. Let's finish your grapefruit. It's not gonna focus. It's very but you know what? I think maybe I've got underlying sweet thing because I just had the child's iced tea also equity. So I'm trying out. Oh yeah, you can see my face. The Redla grapefruit. It's not so bad. Flavor, maybe. Not my favorite at all. Can we just drive out as a police? I really feel like I'm drinking beer. Ooh, guys, by the time we leave here, it's 12 o'clock. So bad. Mama's not going to think it's funny. Me neither. Oh yeah. Menanda, are you hearing what I'm listening to? Oh. Nope. Nope. Went back to the lemon. I think you just have a favorite. The lemon is lekker. Have you ever tried the lemon? No, of course not. I think I've tasted the Redla once in my life. Then we must get the lemon. We must really get the lemon. It's hot. We'll not give Bengals anyway too, but they dune small. Isn't it 7 o'clock? So we're just gonna go like right through the shops and go home. Yeah, I thought because in honesty I thought we would arrive in Wildfish Bay straight to the mall, shop, go home. Because go home and unless your mother wants. Yeah, but now we won't make it to Charlie's in time. Oh, Charlie's closes at 3 most. At 5. Are you sure? Yeah.
Ele maakt het woensdag, je doet wat je doet maakt. Maar vrijdag ele maakt het bij lunch, dan maakt het ook.
Is she zeker?
Ja.
Can we just send Papa? Yeah, thinking that now. Just go with Papa, he must just go. Even near. Be right there. Yeah, let's go, Papa. don't get copyrighted for this bicycle.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Trying to run some errands. Oh, tiny.com. See what Dunes Mall has to offer.
Ay, transcribe. Ay, di ba di ka binigare si Elenia?
Come. Come, baby.
What is it? I'm closing my piggy.
Take the gang daarachter. Ja, gang daarachter. Vlogging. Oh, look at the background, looks so cool. Hey. How are we going
On our right side. Yeah.
But it's all the way there and halfway there.
My neighbors. That's my country.
Here, there's here by the ladies, there's one. Looking for that. Yeah, here by me, that's in there by my ladies, you saw. Salons may gel and discount krijg denk ik. May gel, terus may discount krijg denk ik.
Ja, de squirrel.
Could be in discount. Oh, the queues are also a lot here, yeah. Masuk nanti. Masukin. Masukin jauh. Mana kita main sama kabarnya? Kesini sekolah.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Part of life once. Say hi. Good. Oh.
Oh, die is ook nice, nee. Excuse me, ik weet niet waarom.
What one? Which one?
Nee, is het niet de alle gel, I'm excited.
Oh, I am excited. Oh, my flunky monkey. I've wanted this gel. And I've been looking for it.
Echo.
Oh, there they are. Oh, the mall is full, ka. Beleking spark.
Is it like a good thing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at the bottom. You miss it. Where your eyes are now, where your head is. At the bottom, inside.
Oh my god. Oh my word.
Yeah, it's cheap.
What? You must be kidding me. No.
Ma'am, ano gusto kayo? Hindi mo. We're making traditional
Yeah.
umalodu. What's umalodu?
Umarot ba suwambo?
Making traditional drink.
Umarot ba suwambo? Uteke mo suwambo le ano.
Malodu or shewambo.
Umarot ba suwambo?
Oh, you see
Yeah.
my shadow.
Yeah.
Mom is making.
Yeah. Nanga nandiye munga. Tandi popinga. Now. La pushane ngao. Yeah.
Makeshift, what do you call this thing? That one. Yes, and Kylie Chai, it feels like that though.
Kylie Chai was niet grappig. Het plek is diep in Gramazula.
What?
Separation.
Bisa?
Really, are you vlogging us?
Hey everybody, I haven't had a chance to take out my camera today, but we're gonna be here and try and vlog the rest of the day.
Foto suamu, sosialnya foto ko suamu.
My mother. The lighting is interesting. What up? I'm back again. Let me go take you through the house. We got plates of meat, chicken, and sausage. Wow. Pork and meat. Porridge. We are going traditional today.
Are you vlogging?
We have tiny fish. Whatever the name is, the tiny fish. Going through a kaka. And we have spinach. Yeah, all traditional. We're vlogging, we're not done. We are vlogging. So we almost done. Back again. Raja's vlog. My vlog. Raja's camera, whatever we call this now. My vlog. Yeah, your vlog. My big brother on the grill as usual. On the grill doing his thing as always. Dr. Chef, the soup.
And this way.
This is my father. Ek blog. So as je op dingen ze gaan zien. It's not my problem. Oh. Celebrities. My auntie from Tumep. My uncle here. Doing his thing. With a bottle of gold label. Johnny Walker.
Kan ik ben geras jong, dan moet ik een beetje proeven.
Ja.
Dan moet ik ook een beetje